ANC lawyers demand Zuma to change party name and logo or face legal action. ANC lawyers demand Zuma to change party name and logo or face legal action. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Wina TV. Former South African President Jacob Zuma has been given an ultimatum by the African National Congress ANC to change the name and logo of his newly formed political party, the MK Mkhonto Wesi's Veterans Association, or face legal action. The ANC has accused Zuma of using the trademark of its military wing, Umkhonto Wesizwe, without permission. The ANC's lawyers have sent a letter to Zuma demanding that he change the name and logo of his party within 14 days or face legal action. The letter states that the use of the Umkhonto Wesizwe trademark is a violation of the ANC's intellectual property rights and could lead to confusion among voters. Zuma's MK Veterans Association was formed in August 2021, and its name and logo are similar to those of the ANC's military wing, which was formed in 1961. The ANC has accused Zuma of using the name and logo to gain political mileage and to confuse voters. The ANC's Secretary General Fikile Mbalula had previously warned Zuma that legal action would be taken if he did not change the name and logo of his party. Mbalula stated that the ANC will not allow anyone to use its intellectual property without permission. Zuma has not yet responded to the ANC's demand, but it is expected that he will comply with the ultimatum or face legal action. The ANC has a strong legal team and has been successful in previous intellectual property cases. The ANC's decision to take legal action against Zuma is seen as a sign of the party's determination to protect its intellectual property rights. The ANC has a long history of using its military wing's name and logo to mobilize support and to promote its political agenda. The use of the Umkhonto Wesizwe trademark by Zuma's party could be seen as an attempt to capitalize on the ANC's legacy and to gain support from voters who are nostalgic for the party's struggle against apartheid. However, the ANC has made it clear that it will not allow anyone to use its intellectual property without permission. The ANC's decision to take legal action against Zuma is also seen as a sign of the party's determination to assert its authority and to maintain its dominance in South African politics. The ANC has been in power since the end of the apartheid in 1994 and has a strong support base among black South Africans. Zuma's MK Veterans Association is seen as a potential threat to the ANC's dominance, as it could attract support from former members of the ANC's military wing who are delusioned with the party's leadership. The ANC's decision to take legal action against Zuma is seen as a way of sending a message to other potential challengers that it will not tolerate any attempts to undermine its authority. The ANC's decision to take legal action against Zuma is also seen as a sign of the party's commitment to upholding the rule of law. The ANC has been criticized in the past for its failure to hold its members accountable for their actions. and the decision to take legal action against Zuma is seen as a step in the right direction. The ANC's decision to take legal action against Zuma is also seen as a way of sending a message to other political parties that the use of intellectual property without permission will not be tolerated. The ANC has a strong brand and a long history of using its intellectual property to mobilize support and to promote its political agenda. The ANC's decision to take legal action against Zuma is also seen as a way of protecting its legacy and its place in South African history. The ANC's military wing, Umkhonto weSizwe, played a crucial role in the struggle against apartheid, and the party's decision to protect its intellectual property is seen as a way of honoring the sacrifices made by its members. In conclusion, the ANC's decision to take legal action against Zuma is seen as a sign of the party's determination to protect its intellectual property rights, to assert its authority, and to uphold the rule of law. The ANC has a strong brand and a long history of using its intellectual property to mobilize support and to promote its political agenda, and it will not allow anyone to use its intellectual property without permission. The ANC's decision to take legal action against Zuma is also seen as a way of protecting its legacy and its place in South African history. Someone commented and said, "No one owns a name or a logo." Another one commented and said, "ANC eyatatazela celani noZondo ayophuculela ehhovisini lake avuse amanye amakheyisi kaZuma. Okusalayo, the damage is done. Whatever you are trying to do won't work." Another one commented and said, "Could lead to a confusion. How?" Another one commented and said, "uThixo uyaphendula siyabulela bawo." uThixo uyaphendula siyabulela bawo. Another one commented and said, "He was a president before, so he wanted to lead till he died. His family are selfish and hungry for leadership. They must accept and give others a chance to lead. We can't be lead as a dictatorship does." Another one commented and said, "I saw it coming anyway." Another one commented and said, "Ubolela ngantoni." Another one commented and said, "Just like Archbishop Desmond Tutu once told them that South Africans will pray for the demise of the ANC and it will happen." Another one commented and said, "This one has got trillions and he will challenge up to Constitutional Court. Money is not a problem to him. Even the 10th generation will still benefit." Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones for TV. Please subscribe. Don't forget to join a membership, YouTube membership, in the subscriber tab. Thank you. Bye for now. Till
Thank you.